Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nitya, Head Department of Zoology, Maristella College. It is indeed great pleasure for me to talk about AIDS, World AIDS Day today. AIDS is a killer disease, there is no cure for this. If it is uncontrolled, it would wipe out the whole nation. So we must bring awareness in the college community, especially most vulnerable group, adolescent age. The theme of 2020 is global solidarity, resilience and impact. Based on this, I must anxiously explain to each and every student about window period. Window period, entry of disease and appearance of first symptoms. How it enters, how it is transmitted, what are the precautions we must take, we must educate them. And at the same time, we must show solidarity towards the HIV positive persons. Wearing the red ribbon, the care, concern, hope and support. These four measures are very important to create positive attitude.
Everybody, have a good day to you all. I am Dr. Bharta Jyoti from Maristella College, lecturer in today. We are celebrating World AIDS Day. Every year we are celebrating World AIDS Day on December 1st. Okay? Why we are celebrating? We need to give awareness, we need to teach as a teacher, as a mentors to the adolescent people because they are the national wealth of our country. We need to educate them, we need to teach them life skills.
AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, which means deficient immune system. You get AIDS after becoming infected with a HIV virus. You get infected with the virus by unsafe sex, contact with blood of an infected person, for example by using a contaminated injection needle, from mother to child during pregnancy, childbirth or breastfeeding. Because the virus is transmitted through blood, sperm, vaginal fluids, preseminal fluids and breast milk. You don't have the risk of becoming infected with the virus by saliva or shaking hands. When you have HIV virus but aren't symptomatic yet, you are seropositive. This means that there are HIV antibodies in your blood. You don't need to have any signs of disease yet. An HIV infection passes through 4 stages. In the first stage, the body can show signs of disease like continuous fever and swollen glands, while some people who are infected remain asymptomatic in the first stage. In the second stage, recurring airway infections, skin, mouth and genital lesions often occur. In the third stage, you may have complaints like prolonged diarrhea, excessive weight loss, tuberculosis in the lungs, and other serious infections like meningitis. Finally, besides serious infections, the nervous system may be affected in the fourth stage, which can result in motor loss or AIDS-related dementia. It may take 5 to 15 years before you know that you have got AIDS. This is because sometimes it takes longer for symptoms to occur. HIV and AIDS can be treated with medication but can't be cured. Antiretrovirals slow down the multiplication of virus but doesn't kill it. To support the treatment, AIDS patients often get medications to boost the immune system and fight against infections. You can prevent AIDS by having safe sex and using clean needles.
Yes, it is bad that people are dying with AIDS, but no one should die out of ignorance. Yes, we have come. And this is the Awareness Week, December 1st, where we are celebrating World AIDS Day. Yes, I take this opportunity in order to salute and thank all those Red Ribbon Club volunteers, medical representatives, and all the staff who have been working constantly day and night to support and help this HIV infected patients. This day is taken as a mark to remember and support those who are infected with HIV and also to remember those who have died of COVID-19 and HIV at the same time. This year has really been a disaster for all of us because HIV is itself a fatal disease, but COVID-19, the pandemic situation, has worsened it even.
Has made significant progress since 1990s, but HIV remains a major global health issue like many other health issues. HIV prevention, testing, treatment, care and services are very low, particularly in fragile health systems. It faces severe challenges during this COVID-19 pandemic. Breakdown in essential HIV services due to COVID-19 is threatening the lives of many people.
Maristella, like always, has taken an initiative in order to create awareness about AIDS and HIV virus. As a part of this, Red Ribbon Club is formed. As a part of Red Ribbon Club, activities are conducted like blood donation camps, electrocutions, essay writings, crafts, and so many other activities which enhance and create awareness about AIDS and HIV virus.